The JSON patch function applies a standard JSON patch to a JSON document. This lets you make precise edits, such as adding, removing, or replacing values, by supplying a patch document that describes the desired changes. JSON string is a string representation of the JSON document. Patch is the JSON patch describing what changes to make. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, a JSON document is stored in the variable isJSON string, which contains fields, address, user, and port. A JSON patch document is defined with two operations, one to remove the address field and another to update the port value from 8010 to 8012. The JSON patch function is then used to apply these changes to the original JSON document. Finally, the updated JSON document is exported to a file named target.json. First, I initialize the JSON document and store it in a string variable isJSON string. Then I define a patch array with the operation remove to delete the address field and operation replace to change the port value from 8010 to 8012. The result is stored in a string variable isJSON patch. I use the JSON patch function to apply the patch to the JSON document and update the string variable isJSON string with a final result. Finally, the variable isJSON string is exported to a file named target.json. Let's run the process and then view the JSON file. After executing the process, the JSON file will look like this.